Hi kids, welcome to my colorful drawing school. Today I am going to draw a colorful puppet. Let's draw and color it together.
Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird, and if that mockingbird don't sing, Mama's gonna buy you a diamond ring.
First I draw the heart. So kids, do you love to play puppet? Puppet challenge is very interesting game. It's very easy to draw. You can also try with me.
Buy you a looking glass, and if that looking glass is broke, Mama's gonna buy you a billy goat. I will buy you a billy goat. And if that billy goat won't pull, Mama's gonna buy you a cart and bull. And if that cart and bull turns over, Mama's gonna buy you a dog named Rover. And if that dog named Rover won't bark, Mama's gonna buy you a horse and cart. And if that horse and cart fall down, you'll still be the sweetest little baby in town.
Let's paint now. Red. Orange. Yellow.
Hush, little baby, don't say a word.
Green.
Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird, and if that
Sky blue.
don't sing, Mama's gonna buy you a diamond ring.
Light pink. The picture is finished. See you next video. Bye.